Like it?
Yep.
126.
I'm Megan, and this is my husband, Beau, and our daughter, Beckett. Join us on our journey as we relocate our family to raw land in beautiful northeastern Washington. Watch as we start from scratch and build the life we desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Just backfilling the porch. Got the sprinkler on there, getting a little moisture so it compacts well. That's how I spend my Sunday afternoons now. Working. So here's what happened. I was compacting this, as you can see, very nice, looking good, huh? Looking good. With plate compactor that weighs roughly 1,000,000 pounds. So anyone who's ever ran one of these probably has the same story, because I've done it twice and I've ran one 3 times. So it got a little off kilter here because, you know, I'm not a dirt guy, and just decided to drive into the building. Just drove right into the building, and borrowing it from a buddy, so it's, you know, like a hand-me-down machine. The key that you use to turn it on doesn't turn it off. Nope, you got to throttle it all the way back and wait for a diesel engine to wind down, and that's how it shuts off. So I'm lucky that that's the only damage it did. I actually got into the building a little bit right here when I was putting this fill in, but luckily that's a panel, like an easy panel. It's just a short panel between the windows. Here's an edge and there's an edge, so we'll swap that one out. Might as well get all this done because I have a feeling I might do something stupid again. All right, well, we got most of the porch done, at least rough graded. The builder's coming back tomorrow. He's gonna do all the fine grade. They got 4 inches of, can't remember if he says 5/8 minus or some sort of crushed rock, I believe. He's gonna do that inside, and then probably finish off the outside here with that as well. Then our last 2 loads of rock got spread. So coming along. We're gonna have like a circle driveway right here, and really this rock is just for dust. This dust here, or the dirt here, after you tear the trees out, turns into literally moon dust. And there's actually another YouTube couple that's building probably 100 miles from here, dealing with the same stuff. You rip the trees out, and if you dig up the root systems, it's all just fine. So literally turns into moon dust. I'll take you for a walk. My neighbor's starting his house over here, about half a mile away. Yeah, maybe a quarter mile. Anyways, it's literally like 8 inches deep. You step in it and you sink past your boots of just the finest talcum powder you can imagine. So, like I said, Sunday, just wrapping up for the day. Back to the real world tomorrow.
We are grateful our contractor was able to come out to backfill and grade. Our next step is to do the rough-in plumbing, and we needed this ground prepped first.
Friday afternoon, snuck out of work an hour early, so I'm gonna go grab all our plumbing parts from Spokane, and we'll head back to the house. Got the plumber showing up in the morning. Hopefully, actually he's coming in tonight, but hopefully we can get all the underground knocked out today, or excuse me, tomorrow. And then we can get slab prep, get the foam down, and floor heat.
Buster's brakes on?
Level me, and then I'm gonna steal that guy. Shit. Quick set and shit. Yeah. Try this again. Alright, go this way.
Yep. Say a little more. More.
No. Oh,
Yeah, probably somewhere in there.
Yep.
Let's just do a 30.
30?
Yeah, let's do a 30. If we need to cut it down, we'll be safe.
Hey.
30 inches.
30 inches. You. That looks like it's gonna be perfect. That look alright? Looks pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Got some scoopy? Sure.
Oh,
See?
dang. Remember our offset from the wall?
We said 23 to center, right? Oh, from that wall?
Yes, 3 foot.
311 and a half.
Yeah.
And what we're going 23. A little off, huh? That's right. You can grab that P-trap in here.
Oh, and turn it.
Turn it. Okay. So it's not a problem.
As long as it's
Now they might make you cut in a T here
for a vent.
for a vent, but
And
that's
the wall?
just coming over and up.
Well, I could hit that sub wall, huh? Straight up.
Oh yeah, that's right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. How are you gonna do that?
Can we not just come up through it?
They'll make you wrap it, which is no big deal. Is there any cabinets that we could? Well,
We could come on the other side of it.
cabinets here.
We'd have
Yeah,
to-
so we can run. We can just keep it tight to that guy, to that 3-inch right there. That's right here.
Time out. Moving the washer is a decision that
Why
I
don't
need
we?
to include
No,
in.
what I'm saying is, why can't we just have the vent in the wall the whole
The drain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just
Then just pick up the drain right here and go straight out.
Yeah. God damn. Now we got.
See?
Now we got fucking another trench.
Yes, we do.
Quit saying the F word. This clip's gonna be like beep, beep.
Straight pipe. Let's bring it
12 or 11 foot 5.5.
12, 10.
You remember that one?
12, 10, 3/4. Wait, 12, 10? That's what a bearing wall is, isn't it?
11 5.5.
Oh, 11, 5 and a half?
12 10 from that wall.
I was remembering 12, 10.
Yeah.
That's why it was in my head.
Well,
Be careful though, because your door. You can't pull it.
why can't we just come down this wall? Why can't you stub up behind the toilet?
That's what I was thinking.
Just do that. Yeah, we'll just stub up right behind the damn thing. We need another reducing bushing though. God damn, there is a lot going on right here. Beginning of wall.
Beginning of wall.
You want to get
So-
this one in first?
Yeah, let's get this one in first. And somehow turds.
I mean, what if we, now that you're all the way back there, Corey, why don't you just 45?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
45 that way.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep. Less fitting. Good call.
So let's do.
You're good there.
Where does that Y off to?
Master toilet. You gotta hit a 90 there?
I'm full of rocks. Do you want them?
You're full of rocks.
Yeah, you can have them. Oopsie.
Thank you. When you do that, that's when you get in trouble.
I know. I do it every time. You know what?
All the
This is
time.
gonna work out. I know it is.
Right?
And then it never does. I'm just saying.
Always works. If it doesn't, get a bigger hammer.
Sheer force. Wouldn't it be better to have too much than not enough?
No.
Not necessarily.
Well, why?
And then your water
Outruns your poop.
outruns your poop.
Oh. Okay.
Yep. You wouldn't think it'd be a problem, but
Right. It
that's
can
how
be.
backups happen.
All right, let's just check where we're at.
Not anywhere near it.
How far off?
Right? Was it 12'8"?
Skin. What are you doing?
Watch out, baby. I think we should dig a trench and fill it in and dig it again.
What we've
Doesn't
decided
wait.
building a house is just digging trenches, filling them back in, and then having to dig them again.
So, you know that whole saying? Measure twice, cut once.
Dig 4 times. Bury 4 times. Curse multiple times. We're at 11.8.
What would you use 4 inch?
When 3 inches won't do.
Another toilet on me.
Oh. What's a hacksaw?
I got a handsaw.
Oh, you do? In here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've got a, you know what, I'll go plug in my, you keep thinking on. The inlet on the septic tank's only 3 inches.
Really?
Yeah.
Are the inches supposed to be the amount of toilets you have or something?
No, so each fixture counts as a fixture unit, and certain size pipes can only carry so many fixture units.
Okay.
So a toilet carries obviously more fixture units than like a sink.
Uh-huh.
Over more. Okay. So the problem with a post frame house is you have these columns, in my case they're on 12-foot centers. This is actually I think it was a 15-foot bay in the front because it's non-supporting, that truss carries it, but everywhere that's weight bearing is on 12-foot centers, and they only allow you, don't quote me this, I'll have to go look, I think it's 2 1-inch holes at the very top. I think it's within the first 2 feet of it. So when you're running your electrical for all your outlets that are 12 inches off the concrete, that would mean you'd have to come down this column, hit a box, 6 feet, hit your next box, go up this column, through the hole that you're allowed to drill, and in this case we'd have to go around the window, but down this side of the column, hit your box, 6 feet, hit your box, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to make these conduit chases that will be recessed down into the concrete. This is the top of concrete, so I'm going to try to get this and drill some holes in this bottom plate, tilt this on a camber like that, so essentially my Romex could come over, hit through this, there'll be a bushing on here, hit through this, pull through, and hit the next box. It's not going to be easy or fun pulling Romex through this, but I think for the short distances that I'm going to use it for, it won't be that bad. So just got to get my bends down to see what works here. Probably be a couple iterations of this and we'll get them built. So it ended up working pretty good. I thought I was going to have to put more bends in it than I did, but just ended up doing 245s, and then I just ran it at an angle so none of the EMT will daylight inside the wall here. So get one there. Already got one there. Got to make a different design for the corner. I got these two for these two. And I think I'll put them in the bedroom too over here. Probably put one there. I better do one, so I'll make two more. I don't think I'm gonna need one on this post. Still waiting for the layout from the, oh, what's it called? Like the entertainment company, or they're doing all my low voltage layout. So this will be the bedroom, and we'll have a TV on this wall. So I either got to, let me think about that. Might be able to drill some through the rafters, or I'll put one. Yeah, I'm gonna put one around this column, I think. Still working through it. Anyways, got most of the plumbing done this weekend. My cousin came over. So we'll have floor drain for the boiler room. This is toilet for the shop side, bathroom, or excuse me, tub for the shop side, sink for, drain for a sink and a washer and dryer we're gonna put out there while we're building the house. This is tub, no, that's a vent, excuse me. Vent, tub, shower, vent. This is vanity, double vanity here. This is to catch the upstairs lab or bathroom. And this is master toilet, and that is a vent, I believe. I'll have to look back through that, I don't remember now. So all we got left is, we ran out of parts. I threw that other bathroom out into the shop without telling my cousin, so he didn't order the right or enough parts. So we got this main that's gonna go out the door to the septic tank, and then this one will pick up the island in the kitchen. The spare bedroom toilet is actually almost in the, it is in the ditch. Spare bedroom or spare bathroom, shower, lavatory. And then we're putting an RV dump in the shop. Our plan is to live in the shop this winter in our RV while we're finishing the house. That way, obviously it's warmer in here. Don't have to fully skirt the RV, and it just kind of gives us a little bit more area outside of the RV to try to live in throughout the winter. So if anyone's lived in an RV through the winter, you know it's not always pleasant and you run out of room quickly. That's an update on the plumbing and I guess all the underground.